Today in the Slumber Yard, we're going to be covering the best medium firm options within the online space. So a mattress to have a medium firmness is pretty typical for a lot of bed-in-a-box options. You know, medium firm is pretty good for back and stomach sleepers who want a little bit more nightly support, but it's also pretty suitable for any type of sleeper out there, like side and combination even. That is, of course, if you're a side sleeper who wants a much firmer mattress. And in this video, we're going to be talking about 6 different options. And because I do have so many beds to cover, I'm going to rifle through them pretty quick. But just in case you need any more information on them, hit the description box below this video screen. If you get something out of this video and we maybe point you towards your next online mattress, we'd really appreciate it if you dropped a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for a lot more. But now let's talk about some great medium firm beds.
At the Slumber Yard, you know we work real hard to find the right bed for you and save you money on it.
Okay, so right up top here, I do want to mention that we did receive all these mattresses for free from their respective brands to review. And in terms of policy stuff, it should be kind of different from bed to bed, but the bare minimum stuff should be listed here on screen for you. You should be getting entirely free shipping with all these mattresses, at least a 100-night trial period to test them out at home for yourself before you're stuck with them. You get a return option within that time frame. Most should offer completely free returns. And if you decide to keep them, they're all going to be backed by at least a standard 10-year warranty. Some, again, go above and beyond that standard, but that's just the baseline. But let's just jump right into this medium firm best list and talk about our first online option, which is a pretty great value for a memory foam bed after discount. This is the original Bear mattress. This is the brand's flagship mattress. It's also their most affordable all foam offering. It features a dense memory foam feel where you push into the mattress and it slowly responds as you let go. When you first hop on the mattress, it'll likely appear to be pretty dang firm, but as you slowly start to sink into the bed as it kind of warms up around you, it'll soften up a little bit and kind of create a little nook for your body to rest in. This bed is indeed right around a proper medium firm on our scale. It should be a great option for all sleeper types, but more specifically, stricter back and stomach sleepers might be getting the most amount of support advantage out of it. This bed used to be available by default with a Celliant cover, but now it's just optional and you kind of have to spend up a little bit more for it. This is a great optional cover for athletes if you care about getting a bed that could offer you some restorative qualities or some potential nightly advantages like increasing circulation, recovery times, and a myriad of other athletic things. This could be right for you. You get around 4 full months to try this bed out at home risk-free before you're stuck with it. And if you decide to keep it, it's backed by a lifetime warranty, which is awesome to have. Not to mention, it's a great value for a bed like this, especially after discount, and you should be able to locate one down below in the description box of this video. It's usually available in a queen size for right around $650. You know, for a queen size bed online, that is a steal these days. Next up, we have another really popular dense memory foam offering from a reputable brand. This is the flagship Nectar bed. This is another all foam mattress that uses a dense viscous layer of gel memory foam on top, which naturally gives it that more viscous memory foam sensation that's pretty similar to something like a Tempur-Pedic mattress, where you get a lot of sink-in body conforming qualities from a mattress, which might not be right for everybody, but a lot of people out there love the sensation that memory foam beds provide. The original Nectar is right around a flat medium firm on our scale, so good for all sleeper types, a little bit better for primary back and stomach sleeping. The thing to remember about Nectar is that they offer 3 different mattresses, and the higher tier models do get a little bit softer, but that flagship Nectar is going to be their firmest bed. You also get an entire year-long trial period with this mattress before you're stuck with it, and it is backed by a forever warranty in this case. And right now, the bed is also available for around the $650 range after discount for that queen size. Again, check the description box to see whatever's current in terms of pricing and promotions. Now, if you're looking for a more luxurious all foam offering that maybe has a little bit more of a responsive memory foam feel that's also around a medium firm, check out Saatva's Loom Leaf. This is the brand's more premium memory foam mattress, and it's actually going to get to you through complimentary white glove delivery instead of standard bed-in-a-box shipping. So that means a local delivery team is going to swing this bed full size to your home, and in a lot of cases, they'll even set it up for you and remove your old bed at no additional cost. This is a really nice service to have, especially for older folks who maybe struggle to lift heavier things. I actually got this bed for my dad, and he loved the white glove delivery service the bed came with. But since they offer this service for completely free, you are going to be charged a small return fee if you do decide that you don't really want it and you want to send it back, but it's super nominal. It shouldn't, break the bank for you. Compared to the last 2 beds that I just mentioned, this mattress, the Loom Leaf, has more of a responsive memory foam feel. When you push into this bed and let go, you're going to see that it responds much faster than a more conventional dense memory foam. So this should appeal to memory foam lovers, but maybe even people who aren't the biggest fans of memory foam as a material in general. You get 2 different firmness options to choose from with this bed. We like the relaxed firm, and this version is pretty much around a medium firm. firm. Should be a great option for all sleep styles. One nice thing about the Loom Leaf is that it has a cooling feature within the center third. There's actually a laminated cooling strip in this area, which will probably help to cool you down throughout the night. If it doesn't help to exactly cool you down, you know, a lot of other things come into play when it comes to temperature. It should help you keep pretty much temperature neutral throughout the night. Now the Loom Leaf is going to be a little bit more pricey than the last two beds on this list. It is going to be right around the $2,000 mark after discount for a queen size, at least as of when I'm recording this video. That could change in the near future, so again, check the description box to see whatever's current. Now the last three beds I covered were all foam mattresses, but if you're looking for an ultra supportive hybrid bed that should be right around a medium firm, maybe check out the Titan Plus Luxe. This is a more supportive pillow top option from the brand Titan, which is actually a sub-brand of Brooklyn Bedding. And this is a hybrid bed that features an ultra supportive layer of pocketed coils on the bottom. And in a nutshell, we typically recommend beds with pocketed coils to heavier folks, as they just provide a little bit more long-term support and overall durability for those bigger body types. Like the Loom Leaf mattress, the Titan Plus Luxe kind of features a more responsive memory foam feel. Its pillow top combined with that memory foam that's just beneath the cover kind of gives it a sink-in quality, but it's not overwhelming at all. It shouldn't really, throw anyone off if you're maybe not the biggest fan of memory foam. It should be kind of hitting that sweet spot for you. In terms of firmness, it's right around a medium firm. Again, a great option for all sleeper types with a little bit more support for back and stomach sleepers. If you're a side or combination sleeper and you prefer a little bit more pressure relief from your side, a bed with a medium firmness isn't probably the way to go for you. You probably want to look into something softer, but hey, this is the medium firm list. With the Titan Plus Luxe, there's also an optional cooling cover that you can spend up to purchase the bed with, and it probably will help to cool you down throughout the night. And the mattress itself is actually made in the USA if you care about getting American sourced products. As of when I'm recording this video, a queen size retails for around the $1,500 mark, but after discount, which you should be able to locate in the description box, I think you're going to pay closer to the $1,200 end of things. So again, check down there. We should have a discount for you to check out. Next up on the list, we have an upgraded hybrid mattress from the brand Leesa. This is their Sapira hybrid. So if you're just looking for an average hybrid bed without all those pillow top bells and whistles, you might want to check out this option. Again, it features a layer of support coils to provide heavier folks with a little bit more nightly support than something like an all foam mattress. And those coils are actually reinforced along the edges of the bed to provide some pretty sturdy edge support. The Leesa Sapira hybrid features a general neutral hybrid feel. Simply put, you're going to press into this bed and it's not going to give you a real memory foam quality or something like a latex foam. It's just going to be generally comfortable and accommodating for a wide variety of sleeper types out there. And like all the other beds on this list, it's around a medium firm for you. So, it should be checking the box for most sleeper types, whether you like to sleep on your back, switch to your side, to your stomach, or just rotate throughout the night like myself, you should be pretty much set with the Sapira. Price-wise, it's not going to be the most affordable bed on this list, but it's also not half bad when you consider the level of quality that's put into the bed. A queen size retails right now for around the $2,000 mark. After discount though, I think you're going to be paying closer to $1,700 when all is said and done. And Leesa as a brand likes to bundle in 2 free pillows with every mattress purchase, which is great if you're looking for a little bit more than just a bed. Now, if you're more of an adventurous shopper and you want to try out something that's around a medium firm, but you also want something that has a unique feel, check out the Purple Restore. This is one of Purple's newest hybrid mattresses within their premium collection. It's pretty much their flagship out of this one. And like many of the other Purple beds, it features a special material on top to give it a really unique feel overall. It's called the Gel Flex Grid, and it's basically a rubber-like material that's laid out in a grid format across the top of the entire mattress. It's really stretchy, responsive, and kind of bouncy for lack of a better term, and it somehow manages to make the bed feel soft and firm at once. So when you lay down on your back on this mattress, you kind of feel buoyant above it, almost like you're floating on top rather than sinking in. But then when you switch to your side, that material also does a really nice job at conforming to the shape of your shoulders and hips, offering a pretty nice amount of cushion. So the feel on this mattress is going to be pretty unique. It's quite unlike anything that you've probably ever tried on another online mattress. Now it's available in 2 different firmness levels. You got a soft and a firm. For this list, we'd say check out the firm, as it is right around a medium firm on our scale. Should be a great option for all sleep styles. Since that Gel Flex Grid right on top is laid out in a grid format, it just offers a little bit more airflow than your average bed in a box. When you move around on a Purple bed like this, you kind of feel some of that air circulating with you, but we think it is pretty much going to sleep predominantly temperature neutral, rather than actively cooling you down. Could be a bit of an advantage for hot sleepers though. Now in terms of price, it is going to be up there, but you have to note that you're spending up for a pretty quality Purple product. A queen size usually retails for right around the $2,300 mark. After discount though, I think you're going to be paying closer to the $2,000 mark flat. So again, check the description box. All the current pricing and promotions should be linked down there. Now rounding out this list, we have a latex foam mattress that's also around a medium firm if you opt for its pillow top. This is the Avocado Green. This is a more ethically sourced option from the brand Avocado, and you can get this bed with or without a pillow top, but we strongly recommend getting it as it does soften up the bed just a little bit. Without that pillow top, this is a truly firm mattress, but that pillow top brings it down to a medium firm, which is perfect for this list. The bed features features a responsive latex foam feel. When you push into this mattress and let go, you're gonna see that the bed responds almost immediately to you, and it's pretty much like the opposite of a memory foam. Latex foam, if you didn't know already, is actually a naturally derived material made from the sap of a rubber tree that's been fired off into a mold. It's actually a pretty interesting process to make latex foam, and that's the general feel that you're gonna get in this mattress. Now, this bed is also backed by a ton of ecological certifications. Avocado pretty much puts a lot of sustainability and ethically sourced materials into their mattresses. Pretty much everything within the bed is either recycled or certified organic. So if you're more of a green thumb and you'd like your mattress to reflect your values, maybe look into this option. But all that sustainability is going to be reflected in this bed's price point. A queen size avocado green with a pillow top is going to run you right around the $2,500 mark before any discounts. And again, whatever is most current with pricing and promotions and discount codes should be found down below in the description box. But that's pretty much going to sum it up for this list of the best medium firm beds of this year. Hopefully you got something out of this video and we pointed you in the right direction. If so, we'd really appreciate it if you dropped a like on this video and subscribe to the Slumber Yard for so much more. And write us down below in the comments, what exactly do you like about medium firm mattresses? We'd love to hear from you down there. But that's going to do it for this one. Again, if you need more information, hit the description. But I'm JD. This is the Slumber Yard. Like always, sleep right, sleep tight, and we'll see you next time.